All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a 5-inch exhaust on the Illum Duty. Currently has a 4-inch race pipe down in the middle where the DPF used to be, and for whatever reason, it's still not as loud as I want it to be. So went ahead and purchased a 5-inch exhaust, and we're going to be throwing it on. I'm going to show you guys a quick little before and after comparison. So this is with the resonator still on and a 4-inch pipe, race pipe, where the DPF used to be. So here it is, quick little startup. So not as loud. If you're 50 years and older, you probably like that, but I'm still a youngie. I'm still a youngster, so I want my shit to be screaming. So I'm gonna be throwing this 5-inch exhaust, and yeah. Right, so here's what the 4-inch straight pipe looks like right now. It's just literally just a 4-inch race pipe out to the back and then out to the resonator. So pretty easy removal. I went ahead and removed this clamp right here. Not sure if you can see it. This one right here, that one. I'm not sure if I have to remove the sensor and put it back on the new one. I doubt it, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the rest of it. Look, it doesn't even have the clamps for this part of the exhaust, which again is just a 4-inch race pipe where the DPF used to be, and yeah, not too bad, at least removal. Got it. So I got the race pipe out of there. This was what was in there. I wonder how it sounds with no pipe at all. Huh. Not too bad.